Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make the BMW M2 logo in car parking. First, let's begin by selecting a simple black square from your available shapes. This will form the foundational base of our logo. Carefully place it on your car, perhaps on the side door or the hood, ensuring it's clearly visible. Then, adjust its dimensions to about 20 units by 20 units, creating a perfect square canvas for our design. Next, we'll bring in the iconic BMW M colors. You'll need to add 3 separate rectangular shapes. For the first, select a vibrant light blue, then a darker blue for the second, and finally a bold red for the third. Carefully position these 3 rectangles, slightly overlapping each other, onto the black square base. Angle them slightly to the left, creating that dynamic, recognizable M stripe effect. Now, let's craft the distinctive M letter. You'll want to use thin white rectangular shapes for this. Start by placing 2 vertical rectangles, then add a third, shorter diagonal rectangle connecting them in the middle. This forms the classic M shape. Position this white M directly over the colored stripes, making sure it stands out prominently and is perfectly centered for a professional look. Finally, we'll complete the logo by adding the number 2. Select a white number 2 decal from your game's options and place it immediately to the right of your newly created M. Take a moment to adjust its size and font so it harmonizes perfectly with the M you've just designed. Once everything is in place, remember to group all the individual elements together. This ensures your custom BMW M2 logo stays intact and looks fantastic on your car.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.